Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 8 ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods have proven to be effective for many individuals. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to monetize your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to offer your services to clients from around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money online. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching, online tutoring might be the perfect fit for you. Websites like Tutor.com, VIPKid, and Chegg Tutors provide opportunities to teach various subjects to students globally. You can set your own schedule and help others while earning a decent income. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has gained popularity in recent years. It involves creating an online store and selling products without actually holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce allow you to set up your store easily. You can then partner with suppliers who handle the shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. Joining affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale gives you access to a wide range of products to promote. You can leverage your online presence, such as a blog or YouTube channel, to drive traffic and earn passive income. Number 5. Creating online courses. Do you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field? Consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide a user-friendly interface for uploading your courses and reaching a global audience. This way, you can share your knowledge while generating revenue. Number 6. Content creation and monetization. Content creation has become a lucrative career path for many. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer opportunities to create engaging content and earn money through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. Find your niche, produce high-quality content, and grow your audience to monetize your passion. Number 7. Online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to make some extra cash, participating in online surveys and completing microtasks can be a good option. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Survey Junkie allow you to earn money by taking surveys, testing websites, or completing small online tasks. Number 8. E-commerce and online stores. Finally, starting your own e-commerce business can be highly profitable. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy provide a marketplace for selling products. You can source products to sell or create your own unique items. With effective marketing and customer service, you can build a successful online store. And there you have it, our top 8 ways to make money online. Whether you prefer freelancing, tutoring, e-commerce, or content creation, there's a method that suits your skills and interests. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. So go ahead and explore these opportunities to pave your way to financial independence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy online earning.